Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over Dexpools. Now Dexpools is listed on CoinMarketCap. It's doing very well today. It's up 26% right now. Ticker symbol is DXP. We're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. Well, let's get into this token here. So, now this token is an Ethereum token. They have their Etherscan listed on CoinMarketCap here. So basically, if you wanted to buy this token, you would simply fund your Trust wallet or your MetaMask wallet with Ethereum, go into the dApps, find Uniswap, and then you would trade your Ethereum for the DXP token using the contract address that you could find on their Etherscan. You could find it on their webpage, or you could find it on CoinMarketCap. Now their webpage is Dexpools.com. They also have a full white paper listed on CoinMarketCap as well. It says they have 147 holders, 1,430 transfers, and there's a max total supply of 6,000,001 DXP tokens. They have they're also on CoinGecko here. They have a full white paper on their Etherscan, a LinkedIn, Telegram, Twitter, Reddit, a GitHub, Medium articles, contact email, and their webpage. So on their webpage, they have documents, white paper, news articles, ecosystem, all sorts of stuff on here. So according to their white paper here, it says, now live trade tokens and NFTs peer-to-peer across any chain. Avoid slippage and excessive marketplace fees with our QuantStamp audited trading platform. So they were audited by QuantStamp, which is great to see. It says use app, so you can click on that and use their applications. It says trade with confidence. Offer marketplace. Traders can create and view offers, negotiate deals, and finalize transactions in an open marketplace with thousands of users, pairs, and offers. Non-escrow and secured. Our smart contract ensures you always retain ownership of your tokens until both parties agree on a transaction. Built for scalability. We will support Ethereum, Avalanche, Moonriver chains out the gate with support for Binance, Smart Chain, Polygon, and more coming soon. It says, join our ecosystem, help traders, launchpads, and other exchanges provide better value for the community. So it says currently live on, looks like Metis, Ethereum, Optimism, Avalanche, Binance, Smart Chain, coming soon, Polygon, Harmony, Phantom, Moonriver, and then a bunch of other ones there. I don't need to go through all those. And yeah, so that's what it says on their webpage anyways. Their white paper didn't pop up for some reason. Let me see if it will eventually work here. It doesn't look like it's... Okay, there it is. Now it's working. It just shows up weird when you click on it. Decentralized trustless OTC platform for DeFi swaps. And this white paper was actually just updated in March 2022. It is the V1.6 version of their white paper. The rapid expansion of DeFi has been nothing but short of extraordinary. Users of DeFi platforms enjoy the concept of being their own bank, approving their own collateralized loans, trading without a trustless third party, and most importantly, being custodians of their own assets. But there are still gaps in market efficiency, with literally thousands of assets to trade, dozens of smart contract platforms to trade them on, and hundreds of automated market makers. Liquidity can become critically fractured. This creates a trading environment where excessive slippage, front-running, and impact on low liquidity markets are just chalked up to the cost of doing business at scale. What is Dexpools? Now, Dexpools is a decentralized peer-to-peer OTC DeFi platform. Individual buyers and sellers are able to create trade offers bound to specific wallets and execute a trade via smart contracts. There is no need for an escrow custodian or any trusted third party in the process. Both buyers and sellers can set up swaps with literally zero slippage or impact on low liquidity markets. The only cost to use the platform is low transaction fees for both trading parties versus the high slippage seen on most dexes, which can at times exceed 20 to 30%. In short, traders can set up secure swaps with their contacts or list their offers on the open market with zero slippage or front running, all via trustless escrow-less protocol. We make it a seamless experience to securely swap peer-to-peer with any ERC20 tokens with your network or in the open market. Access open markets with thousands of token pairs. Swap across 5+ major chains. Utilize the Dexpools aggregator for best-in-class automated swapping. So they have a huge table of contents here with all sorts of things that you could read about on their white paper. They have tokenomics, core team, roadmap, chain support, Dexpool ecosystem, a seamless experience, enter Dexpools premium peer OT, and each one of those things has subheadings underneath each one where you could read about other individual things within those. So tokenomics on here, allocation 22% goes to community incentives, 20% goes to network growth fund, 11% marketing activities, 11% recruiting and team growth, 9% core team, market maker allocation, 5% DEX liquidity, 3% advisors, 6% copper launch, 1% IDO, 3% private sale, 3% seed, and 100% sum, it says, and total is 100 million tokens in total. So they also have news articles on here as well. The DXP token is a community token with the Dexpools DAO ecosystem. DXP token holders will interact and contribute to DAO governance, and in return may be eligible for rewards generated by the Dexpool transactions from end user trades. The total supply will be 100 million tokens to allocate with the following shares, and then that's where it shows the allocation there. Now, I'm not a financial advisor, so why don't you guys let me know in the comment section. What do you guys think about this token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their utility and info is, and check out all the referral codes down there in the description box. Get yourself some free crypto. Thanks for watching, everybody. You all have a great day out there. Peace out.